Hey friends, welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you three of my most used text animations that I use in every single one of my short form content. I've been editing from 2 years, and these three are some of my most used ones that I think everybody should have. Right? If you are in content, if you are starting as an editor, if you're even just starting as a content creator, if you just have these animations, you can scale them up really quickly. So let's get started in them, and I'll show you how these were created, and let's get started, man. So for the beginning, this is the first one that we have. This is a simple follow-up type animation, mostly used in long form, sometimes in short form as well. Then we have this one, similar to that but a little bit different. This in this one you get all of the words coming up one by one. Before one, like the one before this, you had one by one. Okay, and for the last one, we have this glitch one. If you know, I have recently made a Apple animation video. I know the video is pending. I will make the breakdown sooner or later. After this, never. I don't know. I will make it. Okay. No, joking. I will make it. So in that one, I have used a lot of glitch effect, and this is the glitch effect that I used. So for the first one, what we are going to be doing is going to effects and taking a text plus node. Simple. Then we are going to change the font a little bit. I'm going to use Helvetica. Yes, that's my favorite one. Bold, tracking a little bit down. We are reversing this one. We can write anything. We just like Helvetica new. Spelling is wrong, I guess. Okay. And then we are creating is the text. Okay. So now we have few words. What we need to do is first take this into Fusion. How we will take this in Fusion? We are going to look for open in Fusion. For this one, I have used Control plus P as my shortcut. You can assign that in the key, in the, what do you call it? The keyboard shortcuts. Yes, I forgot. Let's not forget that. That is important. Then we have simply you will have a text plus like a template and media out here. And I know this is up. You just have to change, go in the workspace, layout, fusion preset, midflow. I don't know. This works. This one is a left flow, I believe. Okay. So in this, what we are going to be doing is right clicking on this gray part. Like if you see this one where you have written the text, you right click it and go for the follower. That is how you're going to be making that effect that we just saw. I'm making the first one. So in this, you need to do it at 46. The delay needs to be at 0.46. A must remember one. Okay. Then it is simple. You just go on the 25th frame, set a keyframe on Y, set a keyframe on Y, and it will take you to a path. Just don't watch it, get back, and on the 0th frame, zero, it's zero-ish frame, decrease its size a little more, 1.6. Okay. Then we go in shading, keyframe, what we call it, opacity, and we're going to keyframe it somewhere around here, 20, let's say 30. Okay. And in the first one, we're going to decrease the opacity. So this is what we got. This is 100% not looking like the one that we had. What we now need to keep doing is play a little bit with the spline. This is a spline. We just have to click Ctrl plus A so that both of these are selected. Click this to find them. Okay, and in this just stretch it like this a little, and this should be known as this. Now what's left is opacity. Opacity is not animated, so Now if same thing, Control plus A, select every single one of these keyframes. It is in full. What we going to be doing the same thing a little bit like this. Okay, what mistake we did was like I forgot to like tell you. We simply have to like change the wording from like character to word, and then we have to like animate it. Okay, like we did before. Device animate. Animate. Okay, I just have to like 0.1 13 I guess. See, just keep it at 0. Okay, now the similar thing. I'm going to just uh, up, and here we go. We have here you go. We like decrease a little bit of that. So the animation is created. Sorry about the mistake. Now let's say the word of animation. I'm done. Similarly, if we are going to make the same effect, let's just take this one only. It's not that different from the previous one. I actually did that. The previous one. Like if we go here and just transform, we change it to line and do the same animation here. Okay, and in the same animation. Wow. Okay. And we do character. This one here. 20th path here. Here. Increase it to 1. So and same line, let's say. And change the timing with a little bit of 1.46. Now for the last part, just change the line offset. Okay, select this one, asset, similar to before, with it. There you go. Got it. Okay. If you want to like increase the speed of this guy, just go in the modifier and change this 1.75. Okay, it's done. Simple, so nothing different, just a little bit of change in the previous follow. Okay, and for the last one, the glitch effect that we have, let's just break it down. It's not that hard. What we need to create is a displacement and a fast noise. Everything else is simple text, nothing different. You can change it as much as you want to put anything here. Okay, if we have this type of a fast noise, then do anything. This is the settings. Increase the seat rate, change the x and y, and this is how it should be looking. This is how I created it in your. So we have this type of glitch, and for the colors we did this. It might look a lot, but it isn't. Trust me, it is not. I am going to recreate everything. Okay, so this is how it is going to be looking. What you need to do is bring it here, select this one, select this one like this, again select this one. Then we keep taking the black one. Okay, and we keep selecting them till we get like something of a similar nature. Okay, we like change it a little bit. So this is farther. We look at the different map. Of course, you can play with these, increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, decrease the contrast to get a subtler look, change this one to get just another one, and this is up. This is how we do the bridge effect. Just make any text node, you can put it anything here. Like if I'm just going to reset everything on this one, okay, default, everything reset to default. Okay, now I'm gonna put hello world. Okay, this, then also this will work. This is not the one is created in the text plus, so it's easy to create and change. So clear enough, I guess. Uh, you just have to create this fast noise with this setting, detail, x and y, color, tone, gradient. Create this type of a gradient I just created, and it's done. Very fancy. Now for the more important part, this is what you actually need. Okay, these I see here. This is my personal collection of text animations that I've collected over the years now. Okay, over the years. This one, the character up that you just saw. Okay, and many more like the follow down, this one, follow up, and this one, this one, this one, right one, glitch. This is like a glitch text of this codex one that we have like a follow up. We have these like golden ones that you use sometimes. We have this gradient particle effect on the text, like some sort of energy releasing. The silver one, the shaky text. This is the shaky text. And shake. If we are doing any sort of written work, like this, a little bit of like shake is enough. Then we have this RGB glitch, strip, tag, a lot. Like, these all I am giving away. You can get them. They will be linked below. And if you find them useful, please let me know. And I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Okay.